Hey guys, this is Alex again. Welcome back to my video series on solving LeetCode problems. And now we're solving problem 1732, find the highest altitude. So what's the story? There is a biker going on a road trip. The road trip consists of n+1 points at different altitudes. Okay, the biker starts his trip at point 0 with altitude equals 0. You're given an integer array gain of length n, where gain I is the net gain in altitude between points I and I+1. Return the highest altitude of a point. So we start at 0. So this is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the altitude 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so there are 6 points. And we just have the transition from the first to the second, second to the third, third to the fourth, fourth to the fifth, fifth to the sixth. So that being said, we just need to keep track of what is the maximum point. So we just start with 0 because that's the point where it starts, and current point equals 0, and for gain unit in gain, should be gains, I guess, for gain in gains, but here it is. For gain unit in gain, current point plus equals gain unit, and we check about max point is now the maximum value between current point and maximum point. And we just reach the end and we return max point. Submit. Well, that was a no-brainer, and the results were pretty good. So let's wrap it up. Thanks for watching, guys. See you later.